A little goes a long way. Smart secrets to budgeting. There's nothing more we want than to be able to efficiently manage our money. After all, the money that we want to manage is money that is oftentimes hard-earned. This is where a budget comes in. A budget executed properly should help you see where your money is going, get more utility out of every buck, and help you save some extra for future use. The first smart secret to a budget is to set a goal. Ask yourself the following questions. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to correctly appropriate your income into bill payments? Do you want to put an amount aside for a big purchase or a huge investment? By having a goal, you will be able to shape your budget to best serve your interests. Secondly, you would want to take note of where your money usually goes. This includes bills, major but regular purchases, like grocery costs, healthcare costs, and the like, and everyday miscellaneous purchases. Only when you list down where you know your money usually goes will you be able to identify which expenses you can do without. Once you've identified these regular expenditures, take into consideration what you can cut back on. How much do you spend on your daily caffeine fix in the morning or food deliveries to your front door? The measly $2 or $5 of these small purchases cumulatively translates to more than $3,600 a year. Instead of buying your expensive latte or ordering food, put aside the amount you would usually pay for these small routine purchases in a small container. You'll be surprised at how much you're saving from before budgeting. Also, being indebted is a vicious cycle on its own. You're talking about continuous payments, not to mention huge interest rates. The best way to deal with this is to pay the minimum on all of your debts in order to avoid paying extraneous late fees. Whatever cash excesses you may have, you can opt to add on to the payments you make in your biggest debt. This way, you are concentrated on getting the biggest debts first that cost you the greatest interest rates. Doing this progressively, you'll be amazed at how much you'll get off your huge debts. The last and most important step is to jot down your monthly income and your monthly expenses, including every dollar you've spent. You can use cash management programs, or make Excel sheets of your own. Make a system that works for you which will help you keep track of your monthly budgeting progress. To get more tips on finances and being wealthy, subscribe to this channel. Stay safe and see you in the next video.